There comes a moment in your life when giving up feels easier than moving forward. But that moment, that breaking point, is exactly where most people lose the life they were built for. Not because they were weak, but because they didn't understand one truth. Your greatest strength is revealed the moment you decide you're done running from your challenges. The world tries to break you, but only so it can see what you're truly made of. Most people think success is about talent. Most think it's about luck. A few think it's about opportunity, but the ones who truly rise, the ones you admire, the ones you call successful, they know something deeper. Success is built from endurance, not comfort. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, every time you take one more step when your mind says stop, every time you stand back up after being knocked down, you're building a level of strength that luxury can't buy. You become sharper, you become stronger, you become more dangerous to anything that tries to stop you. People won't understand your dedication. They won't understand why you grind late, why you wake early, why you invest in yourself like your life depends on it. They won't understand it because they've accepted a life you refuse to settle for. And that's the difference between you and them. They look for comfort, you look for growth. Luxury isn't just material, it's mental, it's emotional mastery. It's the ability to stay calm while everyone else panics. It's the confidence that comes from knowing you never quit on yourself. Your journey will break you before it builds you. Your path will challenge you before it rewards you. Your dream will test you before it crowns you. But every painful step, every doubt you fight, every setback you survive, is shaping you into someone unstoppable. You're not just becoming better, you're becoming unshakable, untouchable, unbreakable. And when you reach that level, no setback can stop you, no person can block you, no fear can control you, because you didn't rise from comfort. You rose from pain, from effort, from discipline, from every moment you kept going when quitting would have been easier. That is where real power is born. You don't need approval, you don't need applause, you don't need permission, you just need to keep moving. Because the future you're building is worth every challenge you're facing right now. If this message hit you, don't stop here. Your journey isn't finished, it's just getting started. Tap the next video. There's another message waiting that will push you even further, even deeper, even higher. Your rise is not optional, it's your destiny. Welcome to Fortune Mentality, where greatness is built, not wished for.